Howdy, I'm Charles, an application engineer from Markforged. Today, we're talking about 3D printing welding fixtures. Welding fixtures secure and position parts that need to be welded together accurately and repeatedly. They have to be stable in the face of pressure, heat, motion, and force. Poor fixturing may lead to crooked tacking, inconsistency, and propagation of error. It's a challenge to get it right. 3D printing is an excellent complement to your existing setup given that three conditions exist. First, as a welder, you need the foresight to plan ahead and design your fixture in advance of your deadline. It takes time to create a thoughtful, maximally effective design. When you don't have the time, we gravitate towards using what is already on hand, even when it sacrifices quality. Second, your desired fixture has some complex geometry which is not easily handled by your existing modular setup. Simple fixtures can be quickly fabricated by subtractive machining or assembly of generic clamps and vices. But when your ideal fixture requires cavities, odd shapes, or compound angles that those methods cannot achieve, additive manufacturing really shines. A 3D printer can turn your designs into real, ready-to-use fixtures without any manual labor. Third, your desired fixture is only needed in low volumes. While 3D printing substantially reduces cost and lead time to produce a single part compared to other fabrication methods, it becomes less advantageous at high volumes. Its sweet spot is where you frequently need unique parts, but only need a handful of any one part at a given time. Now, let's take a look at an example. These tubes were held in place exactly where they need to be, which would be tricky to do with regular clamps. Our welding fixture was created with 6 parts total, 3D printed at once in a single job with integrated hardware. The steel tubes were tack welded in place and can now be transported so they can be welded to a larger assembly. With foresight, complex geometry, and low volumes, 3D printing custom fixtures makes it easier for you to complete welding jobs more accurately, quickly, and consistently.